home, you want to get a device so that you can measure the pressure of the water at your faucet where it comes in, or the fixture, typically a hose bib where it comes in, and then adjust the PRV as necessary. Check underneath all your sinks, all your hoses around your toilets, things like that, shower valves. Look for any signs of leak or corrosion, things that will show signs of your home having high water pressure, and take care of those immediately. If you want the peace of mind of a professional, definitely want to recommend that for those who just do not feel super comfortable. With that also, because they're professional plumbing companies, we stay up to date on the latest devices. So items that you may not know about as a homeowner, we're going to take a look at your home and make these recommendations and educate you so that you can understand what's out there for you to protect your home. There's smart devices, which are great for monitoring your water pressure. It gives you a really good understanding. And on your phone itself, you can actually log in and get an idea, just like a smart app for your air conditioner, for all sorts of things. We can now do that for your plumbing. If there's a water leak, these devices will automatically shut off the water to your home to protect your home so that you can address it when you have time. And they also give you a greater understanding of your water usage, so you can adjust your water use to save money and resources.